Hello friends, this is Balkshan from VFX Episodes. In today's video, we are going to talk about reduce noise. Suppose when you start your shot, you cannot go with the noise. The right thing to go with your shot, suppose this is your shot. First, you need to degrain this shot. You have to work there, and in last, we have to brought back your grains again. I will show you how we work in real production. First, we degrain our shot. Then we start working. After finishing all comp work, we brought back original grains to the footage. So this is how we work in production. First we degrain our footage, then we start our comp, and after finishing the comp, again we brought back the original grain into the comp. Okay, so first we have to degrain our footage. So for that we are going to use reduce noise. If you want this plugin, I have added link in the description. When you click on that link, you will get this window and you can download this plugin from here. And if you can see some examples like how good it works, like see there are a lot of grains after using this plugin, and you can see this like very good. There are some more examples are there. See how much grains are there, but after using this neat video reduce noise, you will see like how good the quality is. Okay, so you can download the free version, demo version from here. So let's start the work. So by clicking the tab button, we'll take this reduce noise. When you click here, you will get this you will say prepare noise profile. Just click here, you will get this window. What actually we are doing right now, we are just click on that window. This pop-up window is coming. Just click on the auto profile, select the uniform area. Make sure the selected area is uniform in a wood frame, and just auto profile. You will see automatically it reduces your all grains and it gives you 100% good amazing result. That's why I told you that it works like a magic. If you want to check like how it was previously, see, just click. There are a lot of grains, and now by default automatically gives you 100% good result. The pro tip is this: 95.95% you don't have to do anything with the settings. Just click on the auto profile, select the uniform area, and just click on the profile check. Okay, and apply. Now you are good to go for your comp. It's one more recommendation from my side, and it's a pro tip, like don't use this tool while working with a big comp. Do a pre-comp render as a degrain plate. Okay, then you can start your work. Because what happen actually, reduce noise, bit of like heavy node, and if you're working with a very big tree or very big comp, heavy comp, then might be you will face some issues. So make sure to render out this data to your degrain plate. Then you start your work. I will show you more settings actually. So as I told you, 95.95% you don't have to do anything. Just click on the auto profile and profile check. Automatically it gives you amazing results. Only you have to check that the selected area is uniform. If you select it from this area, like it's already told you that this is not uniform, so make sure you take the reference from the uniform area and just apply. You will get the 100% good result. But there are few information so good to know for you. So this is zoom in zoom out tab here, which of course you don't have to do it from here. In mouse, middle mouse scroll button, you can up and down this from here, and you will see the modes are there. Normally we work with normal, but if you have enough curiosity, then you can select the RGB, where you can see red channel, green channel, and blue channel. But I love to work in the normal mode. You will see this little hand to track this footage here and there. So of course we have middle button mouse in my Windows system, so I can press and drag here and there. Okay, So you can see here is your cursor. It will give you red, green, blue value. WH means the selected area. It will give you the width and height. So maybe in some scenarios when there are a lot of noise and grains are there in your footage, so here you will see these frequencies, and in some scenarios maybe you need to change these settings little bit only. Okay, otherwise it works good by default. Just click on the apply and start your work. So thank you guys being with us. If you have any comments, any suggestion, anything in your mind, just feel free to comment below. I'm happy and open for your suggestion and feedbacks. Thank you. Have a nice day.